is a variety of a language that is characteristic of a particular region, social group, or ethnic group, and that differs from other varieties of the same language in terms of pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. In Colombia, there are many different dialects of the Spanish spoken through the country, reflecting its diverse linguistic and cultural landscape. One example of the dialect in the Colombian context is the Paisa dialect, which is spoken in the region of the Antioquia and the coffee growing. The Paisa dialect is characteristic or characterized by distinctive pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar, and it's often associated with a strong regional identity. Some of the features of the Paisa dialect include the pronouns vos instead of you, and for the informal, singular, and you, and the use of the words like parcero or pana to refer to a friend. The Paisa dialect has played an important role in the shaping of the cultural identity of the region, and is often celebrated in literature, music, and other forms of cultural expression. In conclusion, there are dialects are an important aspect of the linguistic diversity in Colombia and around the world, reflecting the complex interplay between language and culture and identity. The study of dialects can provide insights into the social and historical and cultural factors that shapes language and variations, and can help to promote greater understandings and appreciation of diversity. That's all. Good night.